Students, in the last video we have seen the classification of elements by Dove-Reiner and the Newlands. In the Newlands law of octaves, as we have seen that the elements which are after the calcium, they doesn't follow the law of octaves, and therefore the next scientist who try to classify the element in a scientific way, that is the Mendeleev. Mendeleev developed the periodic table of element, and it is the most important step in the classification of elements. Mendeleev also considered atomic mass is a fundamental property of the element, and he arranged all these known elements at that time. There were 63 elements are known at that time, and he arranged them in an increasing order of their atomic masses. And then he studied the reaction of these elements with a hydrogen and oxygen, and there is a formation of hydrides of these elements and oxides of these elements. And after his study, he formulated the Mendeleev's periodic law. He also studied the various chemical properties of these elements, that is the molecular formulae, melting points, boiling points, and densities of these elements. And from his observation, he stated the law, that is the Mendeleev's periodic law. What is it? That is, the properties of element are the periodic functions of their atomic masses. Properties of elements means the physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic functions, means these properties get repeated after certain interval of time, that is at a specific atomic masses. What he stated, that the properties of elements, they are periodic functions of their atomic masses. Then we will see the merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. What are the merits of the Mendeleev's periodic table? First merit is the atomic masses of some elements were revised so as to give the proper place in a periodic table. That is, the previously atomic mass of beryllium, it was 14.09, and when it is corrected, it gets changed the value of its atomic mass, and it is 9.4, and therefore beryllium was placed before the boron. Next merit of his periodic table is Mendeleev kept vacant places for the unknown element at that time. What he did? That is, he kept the vacant places in his periodic table for the element that was not discovered till then. The three of these unknown elements, they were given name, that is Eka boron, Eka aluminum, and Eka silicon from his neighboring elements, and also he indicated the atomic masses of these elements, that is 44, 68 and 72 respectively. Not only he gives the names of these elements, not only he indicated the atomic masses of this element, but also he predicted the properties of these elements. And later on, when these elements were discovered, what the prediction was done by the Mendeleev was the correct one. After the discovery of these elements, Eka boron is named as scandium, Ica aluminum is gallium, and Ica silicon is germanium. Next merit of his periodic table, that is, there was no place reserved for the noble gases which were not discovered until now up to the formation of this periodic table. When Mendeleev created, then when these elements were discovered, Mendeleev created a separate group, that is the zero group, without disturbing the original periodic table, and he placed them, and all these elements, these noble elements, that is neon, argon, krypton, they were fitted well in his periodic table. These are the various merits of this periodic table. Then we will see, that is the next point, then what are some demerits of his periodic table. First demerit, it was the whole number atomic mass of element cobalt and nickel is the same, and therefore where we should place with regarding the sequence in the Mendeleev's periodic table, as we know that all elements, they were arranged in increasing atomic masses. That is the first demerit. Another demerit, that is isotope. What are the isotopes? Isotopes are the atoms of the same elements which have the same atomic number but difference in the mass number due to difference in the number of nucleons in it. And therefore, when isotopes were discovered after the Mendeleev's periodic table, where should they placed? As we know that they have the different atomic mass number, but they have the same chemical properties, and therefore it is a challenge where to place them in a Mendeleev's periodic table. Third demerit is when elements are arranged in an increasing order of their atomic masses, the rise in atomic mass doesn't appear to be uniform. It is not possible, therefore, to predict how many elements could be discovered between two heavy elements. Means how many elements could be in between two heavy elements, because the atomic mass doesn't appear as a uniform. Fourth demerit is the position of the hydrogen. Hydrogen, as we know that, it shows similarities with the halogens and the alkali metals. That is, in a molecular formula, both these groups have the same molecular formulae, that is the chemical properties, and therefore it cannot be decided whether the correct position of hydrogen is in the periodic table. That is, either it is in a group of alkali metal or in the group of halogens, and therefore it is a problem for the position of this hydrogen. Hello students, in this video up till now we have seen that. In the next video we will see the modern periodic table, the arrangement of these elements in a long form periodic table in a next video. Thank you.